I'm Laura Banford, and I'm going to show you how to make festive chicken casserole with fresh guacamole. I'm going to make this easy breezy sauce for our festive chicken casserole. It's so easy, you won't even believe it. I have some fresh cilantro, and this gives it a nice fresh taste, a little bit of fresh herbs. And this is the only fresh herb that's going in, so it's kind of important. Just chop it up. You can really smell the cilantro as you bruise the leaves. Nice. Okay. Now, we're going to take our bowl, and this is where all the action happens here. Get the cilantro in there. And I'm going to take some sour cream, about a cup or a little more sour cream, some prepared salsa verde, and let's see, a little bit of cracked red pepper, not too much heat, but just a little bit of heat, some cumin. A little bit of cumin goes a long way too. It's a pretty assertive spice, so not too much of that. And then some corn. You can also add black beans, or both. I'm just going to add corn here. And I'm just going to mix this together. And this is going to be the sauce for our casserole. The casserole gets layered like a lasagna, and we're going to talk about that in a couple of clips. And there we are. That's all there is to it. When we come back, we're going to shred our chicken. See you then.